Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding mattresses that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Cozzzi Trifold Foam Folding Mattresses. If you want the best portable folding mattresses, then this one will offer you the best convenience and comfort needed in every situation. The product folds and unfolds with ease and requires little effort. It is a great sleeping solution for guests, camping, traveling, and more. Its high-density foam will offer you amazing therapeutic benefits, helping you to wake up in the morning being happy and rejuvenated. It is extremely comfortable to guarantee a perfectly restful night. Moving on at number 4, we have Best Price Mattresses Topper. The Best Price Mattress 4-inch Trifold Mattress Topper will offer you unmatched support and comfort every night's sleep wherever you go. The portable design will let you conveniently have your sleeping companion in any situation. It is a perfect sleeping solution for sleepovers, guests, or camping, and it is a must-have for any household. It has high-density foam that will relieve pressure points on your body as you sleep. At number 3, we have Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. This gorgeous product will allow you to get a restful night's sleep wherever you go. These folding mattresses are designed to accommodate the sleeping needs of different individuals, and after your restful night, you can easily fold it neatly away for convenient storage in seconds. It has the best memory foam that is great for therapeutic quality and unmatched support. This trifold mattress is ventilated, and this will regulate sleep temperature and let you rest peacefully without being awakened by sweat. The mattress is perfect for unexpected sleepover guests, dorm rooms, family reunions, and more. At number 2, we have Amazon Basics Trifold Mattress. The Amazon Basics Trifold Mattress will offer you a dynamic solution for your friends, family, and guests. The product also offers a modular design which is sleeping and positions. It has high-density foam, and you can use it for kids' sleepovers, as additional seating for your family movie night or out-of-town guests. It has a generous amount of hypoallergenic high-density foam that will give you perfect support and comfort and alleviate joint strain. And finally at number 1. Best Choice Products 4 inches Thick Mattress. They say that comfort comes in small packages, and these folding mattresses have proven it. The product has firm, high-density foam that will mold to your shape, giving you a restful night. It folds up to 3 times to ensure a compact storage and convenient transport. The built-in 2 handles make transportation more convenient. The item is great for use as a guest bed, comfortable bed while camping, or floor sofa. The product has a perfect combination of comfort and utility. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.